Hello, so the next question is, when the light of frequency 2V0, where V0 is threshold frequency, is incident on a metal plate, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted is V1. When the frequency of the incident radiation is increased to 5V0, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted from the same plate is V2. So the ratio of V1 to V2 is 1:2, 2:1, 4:1, 1:4. So the correct answer to the given question is 1:2. Now let us see how. From an photoelectric equation, h nu equals to h nu naught plus half mv square, and if we calculate it a bit, we will find that half mv1 square equals to h nu naught. So that is our first equation, and the second equation similarly we will have half mv2 square equals to 4 h nu naught v2 square m half. Now from 1 and 2 we will find that v1 square by v2 square is equals to 1:4, and if we square root on both the sides we will find that v1 is to v2 is half, and the correct answer is 1:2. Thank you.